Hey, welcome back. We have another hidden gem in York to share with you. This is Barley Hall, a medieval townhouse with the oldest parts dating back to 1360. This incredible medieval structure and its history was discovered as the building was about to be destroyed sometime in the 1980s. The York Archaeological Trust purchased Barley Hall in 1987 and restored it to its former glory. Come along with us as we explore Barley Hall.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.